this video, I'm going to show you how you can see the various faculty development program, webinars, and workshops which are organized by the various institutions online. I have uploaded a video on how to get the conference alerts like international and national conference alerts in the previous video. Please check that in my channel. And now I'm going to show you three websites where you can find the various alerts about faculty development program, webinar, and conferences. Of course, you can also see this. So the first website is facultytrick.com. Once you have logged in, you can see it's having like various field like engineering, arts and science, medical, law, polytechnic, school, and research. Okay, so once you have logged in, you can see that that is 50 plus upcoming online FDP webinars. So here you can see the various webinar. If you just scroll down, you can see that that is from 4 to 5, that is 4th and 5th. What is the program name and who is the organizer, and if you click here it will redirect you for the registration. Okay, now actually it is showing to download as a web PDF. Sometimes it may also open as another web page. So if you want to know more about it, click know more. Even here sometimes it will ask you to download as a PDF, sometimes it will redirect you as a web page. So next is from 12/5/2021, which is completed, right? Okay, so these are all already completed program, and you can just scroll down to see what are the other things which are happening around. Okay, and if you want to like if you want to see based on your expertise, like if it is like engineering, arts and science, okay, so you can click that and check as well. Okay, here you can see that what is the advertisement which have been posted for engineering. Okay, and here they have also given that if you want these job alerts through mail, you can subscribe here. Okay, so here you can get it. So this is facultytrick.com. If you want to explore more, you can click here, and they have given also a WhatsApp group. So simply click here and join the group if you want it like a daily. The next website which we are going to talk about is noafest.com. So here you can see that it is showing faculty development program in October 2021. You can see what are all the various programs which you have and what is the type it is, and which college is organizing it. So here, if you couldn't see any link here, okay, if you're not finding any proper link here, see once if you click, okay, if you click here, it is redirecting you to another web page where it is a 5-day faculty development on recent advancement, and what is the start date, what is the end date, and the city, okay, and all details about it. You can check this out. Fine. So you have various, like if you want to see more, you can see that is the recent one will be on the top. Okay, here you can see that 18th October, so this is on the top. Okay, so you can also find like based on the category, okay, summer training, technical fest, cultural fest, management fest. Likewise you have various option, and also you can see seminar, workshops. Okay, so likewise they have just categorized properly to for you to easily check it out. Okay, so here you can see that this is a workshop which is happening, zero coding data analysis for IoT using Node-RED. This is happening on 20th October. Okay, that is to in Congo Engineering College, that is E-Road. Simply click here and know about the details. Okay, so just scroll down, you can see what is it all about. Okay, if you want to contact the contact person, details are given here, so you can call them and ask like what is the fees and everything they have given here. Okay, so this is all about the Noah Fest. If you want to know more about it, like if you want to search based on the city, state, okay, so you can simply click here and know about the topic. Okay, and the next one which we are going to discuss is research event alerts. Okay, this is research event alerts. Here you can get various information about a workshop, seminar, and conference. Okay, so this is Atal FDP on strategic management And what is the date? See, this is a September 29 to November 19. It is now, it's happening. And you can see that is it's a full time. Okay, so it has various information, and here it's already done, that is it's already completed. Okay, so you can check here various option, like if you want to know about the workshop, click here workshop, and you can see what is the workshop which happened. Okay, recently I think here it is not updated, so they will be updating it fast. Okay, and even if you are academician, or if you want to post your that is any conferences or workshop or FDP which is happening in your college, and if you want to post it about that event, then you can use this. Okay, this is the post event option, where you can inform others regarding your college event, the event which is happening, which is going to happen in your college. Okay, even I think the same option will also be available in almost all these three websites. So create an event, if you want to create an event which is going to happen in your college, okay, that also you can do it. Okay, so yes, I hope this might be useful for you. So just check, and please click on the alerts if you want to receive it whenever the any event is updated here. If you want to receive the alert, you can also subscribe. Okay, subscribe here and get the alerts. So this video actually I have created based on the one of my subscribers request. Okay, so if you want to know more about any other thing, please, like any other thing regarding research or technology, please post it in the comments, so sure I'll be helping you out. Thank you, take care, bye bye.